Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make coloring pages like these on your iPad using the Procreate app. So this is a series of Mandala inspired coloring pages featuring inspirational quotes. And you can color these digitally or print them out and color them on paper or do whatever you want with them. You can sell these, you can give them away to your friends and family, give them to your kids to color. So to get started, we're going to create a new canvas of the paper size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. And then we're gonna go up to the tools, the wrench icon on the top left, and click on that, and then click on canvas. And then you're gonna go down to drawing guide, turn drawing guide on, and hit edit drawing guide. And go over to symmetry and options, and we're gonna select the radial option. And make sure the assisted drawing is turned on and click done. So now I'm just going to use a marker or a Sharpie like pen. My favorite is actually the Studio pen, so I have that in my recents, but you can actually find it under inking. Yes, it's under inking, and then you can see the Studio pen there. So that's included in your Procreate app. And I have the black color selected. We're just going to use black for this drawing. So now I'm just going to zoom in to the middle a little bit closer and just start drawing my mandala design. So just starting from the middle, I'm just going to create some lines. So you can just follow along with me here as I draw my mandala. So now that we have our mandala design, I'm going to add some text. So I'm going up to the wrench icon and turning off the drawing guide. And now I'm going to click on add and then click on add text. So here we have our text layer, and I'm just going to type in another inspiring quote for this coloring page. So now I'm just adding my two text layers, one for each of the layers of text, and I'm just using the snapping guide to kind of center the text. So now I want to change the font, so I'm going to click on the text layer and click on edit text, and then tap that little A on the top right. So now the trick here is to click on that little O symbol that kind of looks like it's an empty O symbol, and that's gonna make the font be just like the outline. So this is like a super quick little hack just to make your text basically like a coloring page already. And I just downloaded a whole bunch of fonts actually from Creative Fabrica, so I'll leave that link below in case you're interested. So I kind of like this font, and don't worry, we're going to clean up where it's kind of overlapping there. So now I'm just double checking which font I used for that layer, because I'm going to use the same one and do the same thing for this second part of the text. So I'm scrolling down to that font I chose and then turning it on so that it's just the outline of the text and just centering that. So now our design's coming together, but I want to clean up those lines. So I'm going to click on the layer and then hit rasterize, and I'm going to do that for both of these text layers. And now I'm going to start with the top part of the text, and I already have the studio pen selected, so I'm going to just hold down my eraser so that I'm using the same brush for the eraser. And now I'm basically just zooming in on that text, and I'm just going to erase those black lines so that the text looks like it's all kind of one. So we're just like connecting the letters. So now I'm just going to go through and clean up all those lines, and you can follow along on your own iPad. So now we're going to do the other part of the text. And so now it's pretty much done. So there we have our finished coloring page, and I'm just kind of moving the text around a little bit to make sure that there's enough room around the outside in case I want to print it off. Just give it a bit of a margin. So now we have our finished design, and if you want to print this out, you can go up to the Actions tab and share it, and I would download it as a PDF, and then you can use that PDF to print it out, to send the file, to add to like a digital download shop on Etsy, or whatever you want to do with it. And also, just so you know, you can visit my website, juliearndesigns.com, and then head over to the download section here, and you can find a bunch of freebie coloring pages, including some from this video, and I'm going to upload the other ones from this video as well. So definitely check that out if you're interested. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this, and let me know in the comments if there's any other sort of tutorial videos you'd like to see from me, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.